So today, probably going to be waiting for 10 a.m. We have news at 10. Consumer confidence and JOLTS should hopefully move the market. Let's see, are we staying quiet across the board? Just waiting? Could be. I know NASDAQ does have some highs here at around 17,797, 740, and around like 730. And right now we're at 670, so about 60-ish points to push 30 for that high. Um, or just, come back and retrace into this zone. Still on a massive, massive leg up. But we'll see. Just gotta wait a little bit. Let's just bring in. Let's just go over some of the stocks. Should probably put that on the 1 minute and zoom in. All right, so Apple kind of filled that overnight gap there. Microsoft gapped up, now selling off. Gapped up about 2.5 points. Amazon gapped down and selling off about 1 point. Nvidia up a little bit to 631, so up about 6 points. Meta gapped up, sold off into 402, rebounded and pushing for high of day. Meta has been a really nice name. Google not really doing much. Google's really never doing much. Tesla gapped up 4 points and selling off just a little bit. Yeah, I don't want to watch. I don't want to watch Meta too much because I can't even trade Meta right now. I don't have anything in my stock account, just futures. Let's see. We're on regular trading hours now. So yeah, I mean NQ or ES just rejected off of 52. So we are in like a little supply zone here. Unless we fully rebound and push these highs at like 56. Yeah, and then so coin now selling off. Is that on the that's on the 5 minute. Oh yeah, so coin's just trickling down. Nvidia kind of staying flat. Let's put Meta up here instead of PayPal. Yeah, so I'm not entirely sure. Like, I'm not sure. Could either see ES rally for new highs, because I mean we are still in a uptrend, but we would need to break above like 56. Yeah, yeah, we need to break above 56. So that might be a little bit interesting if we actually can. But once again, we got 20 minutes till JOLTS and consumer confidence, I believe. So we just gotta wait for those. But yeah, this should be. Yeah, even NQ isn't really doing much. Just gotta wait. Wrong thing. Yeah, so this is ES on the regular trading hours chart. So we have to break above there. Damn. Yeah, so So either sell off, break 45, and revisit some lows, or break above 56. So again, we kind of are in a range. Um, could potentially want a long here at 45 if we don't break that, because we are in a nice uptrend at all-time highs. Yeah, we've been non-stop going up, so I think it's always safe to go long, but we'll see, I guess. But I really don't think we're going to have great price action until news comes out, and then price will push wherever it actually wants to push. But yeah, just non-stop waiting. Man, you know it's bad when even NQ isn't even doing anything. And I gotta go rerun through all the stocks. I mean, okay, so there was a little play there. I mean, not a phenomenal one. I don't really know how you would have known to get in at 402 for a bounce, but um, hey, not bad. I think the better one would have been a bounce at 401 for that gap fill. That might have been a little bit better, but yeah, not bad. Could have entered somewhere here, sold on the break. It's a classic play. Little morning sell off and then pump above high of day. DWAC running, sort of. See how much volume's in this. Not a ton. That's why it's so choppy. Like, look at that. I can just move 30 cents. If you had 1,000 shares, that'd be 300 bucks. Just whipsaw like that. And then Disney, nothing too crazy. PayPal, nothing. Coinbase, slow sell off. Now filled the gap. This was yesterday's high at 136. That's where we gapped up and sold off from. So that could be a decent spot to reload. Could be a decent spot to reload there on Coinbase. But you never know. But yeah, this is going to be a massive waiting game. I swear, all of January has been a massive, massive waiting game. And this is obviously me showing that I'm on a real account. It's going to be showing real here. Obviously, I haven't taken any trades yet on the week. That's why it's still flat. Really have not taken that many trades just in general. I think I've maybe taken 8 trades on the month and had like 8 trading days out of 16 or 17 trading days now, so really not good. And it's not like you have to trade every single day, right? You don't have to trade every single day. It's totally a misconception. You don't have to trade every single day. But the problem then becomes, um, then you just don't really make a lot of money. But there really has not. I mean, for some stuff, maybe there was a decent move, but for the majority of this month, it's been pretty bad. Let's see, so even Solana catching a little pump. DXY pushing down. But yeah. So it went up and then just gonna rebound or just stay flat for the next at least 15 minutes. And you could take a trade in anticipation of something, obviously, but the only downside is that both of these scenarios are just not high probability. Not high probability at all. at all. Let's bring up the hourly chart. Wow, that looks way worse on the minute chart than on the 6 range. That's hilarious. Seriously, it's just tough because, yeah, I'm not sure. I'm trying to think. I mean, hey, it could possibly go back up or just in a range, but it could also easily just break this, and there's so much downside. So I'm really not too sure what I'm gonna do. And again, that's why you just need more data. Right? All I have to go off of is some random pump yesterday at like 30, ranging, then a move up, sell off. Where do we go from here? I'm not sure. There's not enough data. There's legitimately break above 56 and keep going, then that's going to be phenomenal for bulls. But if this turns bearish, which would only need to drop down below 22 points, then that's really not looking good for there. Just break back. So I don't know. Guess we'll see. For that. it's just whack. Maybe something like this. Sell off to 46. Rebound to constantly have A, we get done here. If this is not already on the boat. I'm not really sure. See anything amazing happening with stocks? This could be a decent. I'm gonna draw a little arrow because this could be a decent little long here on Coinbase. It's like such a phenomenal area. I mean, literally right here. I think that's actually right through the reload zone. So get in at the middle 132 and be up like a grand 1,000 shares. Looks like Meta's up a little bit. Yeah, this is just boring. Yeah, I might just bounce out of here at 10:30. This is seriously a joke. Literally every single session besides last Thursday, Friday, and maybe a little bit earlier in the month has seriously been a joke. But like maybe 5 to 6 morning sessions have had like a trade, not even a good trade, like a possible trade. I mean, this is seriously a joke. AVAX. I mean, that still has a long way to run to 50. That still has a long way to run to 50. This could just be an easy little bear market pump. That's still technically a bear market. I mean, we haven't really broken above some crazy highs or anything. But yeah, no, this could definitely just come back on down, which is what I'm hoping. I have a limit set at 25.5. So I'm hoping for that. That would be nice. And that move just looks so artificial. I mean, really. This move looks so artificial on AVAX. Like, move down. Oh, just save the day. Pump up. I mean, come on. Like, what? Solana. Oh, Solana actually technically didn't even really move down that much. Wow, someone is seriously buying the bid like no tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-ish touches at 85. Man, someone is supporting Solana. Yeah, that's hilarious. But yeah, I guess we'll see on crypto. I mean, again, really hoping it comes back down. Again, I mean, that's only 2 points. That's only how much would we have technically, quote unquote, been down? 7%. So because I was looking at potentially just getting in at like 27.5, almost the bottom. When I was watching the chart, I think it was last Tuesday. Yep, it was. So yeah, I was kind of looking at getting in there. So missed about, well, would have almost given up $7,000 in potential unrealized losses for 25-ish grand. That's for crypto though. Jeez, some stocks are, yes, still doing nothing. Sideways NQ, honestly, same thing. Let's just run through these one more time. So Microsoft just kind of chilling at the bottom. Apple, Quick City, Amazon, besides that little random manipulation pump dump, just moving sideways. Nvidia grinding up. It's actually not terrible. I mean, it's actually really not bad. But no, like sharp moves. Meta kind of trying to come on up. Google, yeah, I really don't even like watching Google at all. Tesla ranging. Coinbase kind of trying to come up from that zone. AMD's actually been moving pretty nicely, 175 to 177.85. There you go. Upstart, Chomp, DWAC, nothing. Or no, Shopify, nothing. DWAC, little pump up. I mean, hey, not terrible, but not like a ton of volume or anything. But there was still a play there. PayPal, little sell-off. Disney, obviously, little sell-off. So yeah, that's watching, and see you guys in